Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for our vlog today, we are doing tech. Now, usually when you think of like the latest processors, you think of high refresh rate, you think of like 100 megapixel cameras, you are thinking of smartphones that will sell for 50, 80, 100,000 pesos. But if you are looking for a smartphone today, the good news is you can actually pick this one up. This is the newly launched Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G, and it packs a 108 megapixel shooter. It has one of the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. It has high refresh rate for the screen. And lastly, as the name implies, it is 5G capable, and it sells for half the price of flagship devices today. We'll do our unboxing, initial impressions. Check it out. Let's go. Quick reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do a bunch of giveaways here. In fact, we are going to draw 2 winners of our ongoing giveaways today. At the end of this vlog, I will be drawing the winners for the off-white face masks. There are 3 winners, as well as our collaboration giveaway with Cop Garden for the Travis Scott Astro World towel. So watch until the end, you might win. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this black and gold Xiaomi box. You have 10T 108 megapixels Pro 5G written up the front. You have other details over here along the sides. If you pop the box open, you have that usual packet that contains, of course, the SIM ejector tool, the case, and all of the other relevant readings and manuals. Apart from the phone, you have your USB to USB-C cable, and of course, your 33-watt fast charging power brick already included in the box. Unlike other smartphones that were recently released that are super expensive, that won't even come with the charger. Now, before I talk about the capabilities and the features of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, I want to answer a very important question. Who is this phone for? Who do I feel is this phone for? Now, the price range is below 25,000. I think it's like 24,990 or something like that, which immediately kind of paints the picture of who this phone is specifically meant for. This phone is not meant for people who are on a tight budget, obviously. Because if you are on a tight budget, there are a lot of great smartphones in the 10 to 15,000 peso price range. Smartphones that will allow for you to get respectable gaming, great photos, a decent overall experience when it comes to that particular price point. This phone is really more for people who want the best but are conscious about spending too much. What do I mean by that? There are smartphones, flagships, from other known brands that can give you the best performance, but they sell for like 50 to 100,000 pesos. Crazy prices. And given the current situation that we're in, where we need to be more practical with the money that we spend and try to focus more on the essentials and not just the wants, you really have to take into consideration every little thing, from the specification to what are your needs to the overall value that you're getting with your purchase. And this is where this phone truly shines. If you want the phone that delivers you kick-ass performance, if you want the phone that delivers you truly impressive photography that's near, if not actual flagship capabilities, if you want the future-proof, future-ready smartphone that won't be irrelevant in the next 2 to 3 years or even more than that, this is a good buy. You have a ton of features packed into this that will allow you to enjoy this phone for the years to come. And that, in my opinion, delivers exceptional value. So if you are budget conscious, if you are practical, if you want to be street smart, and you don't want to spend an insane amount of money on flagship tier phones, but you want flagship tier capabilities, you might want to check this phone out. And with that said, let's jump into the key features of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Now, it's easy to get lost in a lot of the specifications, so what I'll just do is I'll zero in on like the top 3 to 4 things that you need to know about this device. Now, the first key feature of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G is the beastly camera setup that it has here at the back. The hero feature, of course, is the 108 megapixel shooter. So if you want to zoom in or cut or crop, the quality of the photos taken with that 108 megapixel shooter is preserved if you set it to that maximum limit. as well as taking normal photos. When they do the pixel binning, it has more pixels to play around with. It allows more light to come in. So everything from the night shots to the macro shots to the detailed shots to the normal pictures to the portrait photos, everything that you take benefits from the 108 megapixel primary lens. That's one of the best features of the device. Now that's for the back. If you switch it over to the front, you have a 20 megapixel in-display selfie camera. So if you want to take your nice selfie shots as you are, well, lounging at home, since we don't get to go out as much, at least you have a nice selfie camera on this device. The 20 megapixel selfie camera is also subtly located on the upper right or upper left, basta nasa taas part of the phone, making it subtle, doesn't distract you too much. It's just there when you need it. Now the second key feature is the processor. It packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which means that anything that you will throw at it, whatever type of game, whatever type of video or photo editing app, it will work, and it will work well. This is not a mid-tier processor. This is not an entry-level processor. It is one of the top processors that you can get at this price point. The value that you get with this device is really unbeatable. Now, to be perfectly honest with you guys, I just play one game, which is like One Punch Man. So it's like a mobile app that lets you play different heroes or monsters within the One Punch Man universe. It is taxing on memory as well as graphics, depending on how you play it and the settings. I did not see any issues playing it on this phone. Another key feature for those people who are looking for smartphones that have high refresh rate is that this has 144 Hz adaptive sync display with True Color. So everything from the seamlessness to the smoothness to the color reproduction. So if you love watching movies, if you love playing games that have high refresh rate, there are a couple, just research them. Or if you just want a smooth overall experience on your display, then this delivers that. Again, these are features that you normally don't get at smartphones in this price point, especially if you bunch them all together in one package. There are other features worth mentioning. It has 5G connectivity. While 5G is not super all over the country yet, if you have no plans of changing smartphones for the next 2 to 3 years, at least this is like future ready for that. Secondly, like what I mentioned earlier, it has 33 watts fast charging, and it is kind of hefty if you hold it because it actually packs a 5000 mAh battery inside. So this phone will allow you to go the distance. Hindi ka maubusan ng baterya sa gitna pag ito ang gamitin mo. If you want to pick one up, I strongly recommend that you guys do so tonight because they will be having a flash launch sale tonight here in the Philippines via Lazada. I will link it down below where you can buy this phone from Lazada starting at 12 midnight. To those who will try to get one, good luck. I hope you're able to get one because I have a strong feeling this will easily sell out. Wrapping up the vlog, let's find out who the winners are for our off-white face masks. Like what I promised, I actually have 3 legit off-white face masks that I was able to get from Off-White Manila. Here they are, all of them. They sell for like 5,998 pesos each. They are crazy pricey for face masks. They are legit. They're not from Green Hills. They're from Off-White. Okay, legit to legit. And here are the winners. So I'll be flashing the 3 winners right now. Go. Congratulations to the winners. I will be reaching out to you via Instagram on how we can get you your new face masks. And now, let's find out who the winner is of our joint giveaway with Cop Garden for the Travis Scott Astro World Towel. Congratulations to the winner. Again, I'll be reaching out to you on how you can get your prize. So those are just 2. I'm actually running one more, and if you want to find out more about it, just click the links down below so you can be part of that giveaway. I will be drawing the winner to that giveaway this Sunday, so you still have a few days to catch up before we draw the winner. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick video for today. Shout out to Xiaomi Philippines for sending this phone over for me to unbox. Amazing device. Good luck with your launch tonight, and I hope that you guys sell out like crazy. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.